What you don't know about Tennessee DUI laws could cost you your job, your freedom, and your future. I'm here to change that. In the next 5 minutes, you'll discover how to navigate Tennessee's complex DUI system, potentially reduce charges, minimize penalties, and protect everything you've worked for. You'll learn the 3 critical goals that determine whether you win or lose your case, and exactly what steps to take right now to give yourself the best possible outcome. Quick disclaimer, I'm a very knowledgeable goat, not a licensed attorney. This is educational information only. Please consult a real human lawyer for legal advice. Where will your DUI case be heard? Most Tennessee DUI cases start in General Sessions Court, but the path depends on your situation. Adults typically begin in General Sessions, while juveniles under 18 go to juvenile court with different standards and more rehabilitative approaches. Understanding which court handles your case is crucial because each has different procedures, and knowing what to expect reduces anxiety and helps you prepare properly. What does implied consent really mean for you? Tennessee law assumes that by driving, you've consented to chemical tests if suspected of DUI. The adult limit is 0.08%, but only 0.02% if you're under 21. Here's the catch. Refusing tests triggers automatic license suspension, but consenting might provide evidence against you. Both choices have serious consequences, so understanding your options beforehand is critical. Your DUI case follows 9 critical stages, and understanding each one helps reduce anxiety and improves your outcome. From the initial event and police contact, through arrest, bonding out, hiring an attorney, court preparation, actual court appearances, post-court probation, and finally, case completion. Each stage has opportunities to improve your situation, but only if you know what's coming and prepare accordingly. Why are field sobriety tests not your friend? These tests, the one-leg stand, walk and turn, and eye-tracking test, are designed to gather evidence against you, not help you. They're highly subjective, often unreliable, and even sober people can fail them due to nerves, medical conditions, or poor road conditions. You have the right to politely refuse these tests, and doing so removes subjective evidence from your case. What are the 3 things that matter most in your DUI case? First, limit jail time. Nobody wants to be locked up. Second, limit damage to your record. This affects your future opportunities. Third, get your life back on track quickly. These 3 goals guide every decision in your case. Success often means getting your DUI reduced to reckless driving or even dismissed entirely, protecting both your freedom and your future. What's really at stake in your DUI case? For a first offense, you're facing 48 hours to 11 months in jail, $350 to $1,500 in fines, and a 1-year license revocation. If your BAC was 0.15% or higher, that's a minimum of 7 days in jail. Second and third offenses carry dramatically harsher penalties. Understanding these stakes shows why fighting your case properly is so important to your future. What are your options when you go to General Sessions Court? You have 5 primary paths: negotiate a plea agreement, request a preliminary hearing, waive the preliminary hearing, have a bench trial before the judge, or continue your case to prepare better. Each option has strategic advantages depending on your specific circumstances. Understanding these choices empowers you to make informed decisions with your attorney about the best path forward. Could your DUI be reduced to something less serious? Absolutely. Through skilled negotiation, DUIs can sometimes be reduced to reckless driving, which avoids many mandatory DUI penalties. However, immigrants should be careful. Some reduced charges, like reckless endangerment, can have worse immigration consequences than DUI. Early compliance with treatment programs and DUI school significantly improves your negotiation position with prosecutors. How could special courts save your future? Tennessee offers alternative courts, like DUI court, recovery court, and veterans court, that focus on treatment rather than punishment. These programs require commitment and aren't available everywhere, but they can help you avoid jail time while addressing underlying issues. Many clients tell us these programs transform their lives for the better, turning a DUI charge into an opportunity for positive change. Can you still drive after a DUI arrest? Your license faces automatic action from the arrest itself, separate from court proceedings. However, you may qualify for a restricted license for work, school, or treatment, but ignition interlock is often required. The deadlines for applying are strict, so acting quickly is essential. Understanding the license restoration process helps you maintain some mobility while your case proceeds through court. What should you do immediately after a DUI arrest? First, document everything while it's fresh in your memory. Attend DUI school before your court date. It shows initiative. Get a voluntary treatment evaluation even if not required yet. Gather character references from employers, family, or community members. These proactive steps significantly improve your negotiation position and show the court you're taking responsibility seriously. How can your DUI charge be challenged? Every case has potential defenses. We can challenge whether police had probable cause for the stop, question how field sobriety tests were administered, scrutinize breathalyzer calibration records, and examine the chain of custody for blood tests. Procedural errors by law enforcement can lead to evidence being suppressed or charges dismissed entirely. Thorough investigation often reveals weaknesses in the prosecution's case. DUI charges are serious, but they're absolutely navigable with proper legal guidance. The sooner you act, the better your options become. Free strategy sessions are available to evaluate your specific case and develop a winning plan. Don't let this charge define your future. Take control today. Click the link in the description to schedule your consultation and start protecting everything you've worked for. Your future self will thank you for taking action now.